Hi guys, so today I'm going to do another modification to my Honda Rebel 500, which is replacing this stock exhaust. As I mentioned in my previous video that I really don't like this exhaust. So this is the replacement exhaust. I just got it yesterday from China. It has no brake. It has really good build quality and it's light, much lighter compared to the stock exhaust. I'm going to show you how's the sound difference compared to the stock exhaust. I can see that it has the DB killer, and I will see whether I'm going to keep this DB killer or just to remove it. That's it guys. So even though I like more without the DB killer, but I have to install the DB killer, otherwise the police will give me tickets every time I ride with my Honda Rebel. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.